Oh, viewers, good morning. Today we are again here, and today we will discuss one of the main problem which is under discussion all over the Pakistan, and especially this problem is from Long to Balochistan. That's why I think we have to discuss this issue with you people. So, 3 days ago, our foreign minister signed a treaty with the international gold digging company for Reko Diq minerals which are in Balochistan. So here we go further. I want to share a news which are from Arab News. The reporters said the groundbreaking partnership agreement among barrick, the federal government of Pakistan, and the provincial government of Balochistan should unlock the enormous values of Reko Diq, one of the world's largest undeveloped copper and gold deposits. Pakistan today reported Wednesday, stating a statement from the president and chief executive of Barrick Gold Corporation, Mark Bristow. So this is a statement from the Arab News. I am agreed with this news that this might be one of the future bright future for Balochistan and for Pakistan. But unfortunately, we are looking how it be bright for the province and for the Pakistan. As we are getting the news how this treaty was signed in London, uh, this should be discussed. Before going further, I want to inform about that in 18 amendment which were passed in the government of Pakistan People's Party. Usually uh, takes they take the credit of that amendment that we gave right to the provinces whatsoever provinces want they can. Matlab they have their own, uh, you can say, make their own rule and regulation for their own property, and after that there would be a share for the federal. But while we look through this issue, so it's entirely opposing the amendment which were 18 amendment of Pakistan. This issue was discussed in Parliament month ago, and then it's moved to the discussion moved to the Parliament to the province assembly of Balochistan. So as we know that there is only one party, there is one ruling party. So it's very shameful thing. I even in a democratic country we can't think that there will not be a opposition party in a single province. But unfortunately, Balochistan is the province that she hasn't any opposition in his in her assembly. So it's a very ambiguous thing, but unfortunately it's exist. So then the entire many of the our political leader refused that amendment, uh, refused that treaty. So they said that if you people are signing to that treaty, we will walk out from the province assembly. They walked out, but still I don't know how they how they passed that constitute that amendment, that bill from the assembly without getting approval from the province's assembly. So it's a very horrible thing in being a democratic country, that it's no turning very wrongly, because now we are looking that the from the people, from the majority oppressing the minorities, because as I shared the population of Balochistan in my previous videos, that the Balochistan has only 12.6 million people. So and in the looking to the population, we have less representative in the National Assembly, but we have uh, equal representative in the uh, in Senate. Senate is the place where laws pass, where amendment is passed. But we are having equal opportunity to stop anything, to pass anything, to refuse anything. But I don't know how they are passing the things without getting the approval, without making unsatisfied, without any making satisfied to the people, the representative of that province. They are passing the bills from the assembly, so it's a very terrible thing. It's very ambiguous thing all over, but they did. Then we look to the parties which are belong from the Balochistan and representing as being a Balochi and Pashtun from Balochistan into the National Assembly. So we saw the after Mingle, that the person who stood and walked out from the assembly, that you people are not getting uh, you people are not putting things and asking, haven't asked anything from us, then without asking from anything from us, then you people are passing the bill from the assembly. And then yesterday I heard the news that the again after Mingle agreed with him, with them. You know why he walked out from the National Assembly, and then why he get back over there? Because he has their own interest. He hasn't any interest for the province, for the people, for the residents of the Balochistan. He has his own politics. Whatsoever he is doing in the name of the missing person, in the name of the you can say the minerals, and he and his party members is just to threatening and blackmailing to the federal, that if you people are not give to the rights to us, then we will directly walked out from the assembly, and we will make protest against you people, and might be we can do something wrong with you people. So just uh, doing his own politics, he hasn't any interest in the favor of Baloch people. So we move to the conclusion. So it's my suggestion, it's my request that every Pakistani have to raise this question: why you people are passing, why you people are breaking the laws? Because we are living in a democratic country which has laws, which have constitution. If you people are breaking the laws and the constitution, then you people haven't any you can say anything for us. We people can uh, we people can any done anything wrong with you people, because after law we before law we are equal. So if you are not respecting the law, the constitution of Pakistan, then same will be here. So we should think for this, and we should know about these issues, and especially from the Balochistan. Then it might be something will be better uh, for the Balochi and for the state. So thank you.